Hello students, good morning everybody. In today's video we are going to discuss about these four reactions, that is Woods reaction, crossed Woods reaction, fitting reaction and Woods fitting reaction. So all these four are the properties of halogen compounds. So these four are the properties of halogen compounds. You know very well what are halogen compounds. So halogen compounds means the compounds containing at least one halogen atom. The compounds containing at least one halogen atom are called halogen compounds. So halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So these are the halogens. So the compounds containing at least one halogen atom are called halogen compounds. So suppose these halogen compounds are further classified into several types like alkyl halides, aryl halides and aralkyl halides. Alkyl halides, aryl halides and aralkyl halides. So alkyl halides means they will have general formula Rx. Here R means any alkyl group. We have already discussed about this alkyl group in the previous video. So alkyl group general formula is CnH2n plus 1 and X means any halogen, any one of these halogens. So here alkyl halides means CnH2n plus 1 and X. Okay, if you put n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, you get number of compounds. So suppose if you put n is equal to 1, we get CH3, X means any halogen, CH3Cl if you take. CH3Cl, this is one alkyl halide. If you take n is equal to 2, we get C2H5 and Cl, X means any halogen. Okay, so if you put n is equal to 2, you get C2H5Cl, C2H5Cl. The C2H5 can be written like this, CH3, CH2Cl. So this is called chloromethane or methyl chloride. This is methyl chloride and this is ethyl chloride. This is methyl chloride and this is ethyl chloride. So chloromethane is the IUPAC name and chloroethane is the IUPAC name of this compound. So okay, so these are the alkyl halides. So if the halogen is attached to alkyl group, those are called alkyl halides. If the halogen is attached to aryl group, aryl means any aromatic compound. If you take benzene, if the halogen is attached to benzene, then it is called aryl halide. So if the halogen is directly attached to aryl group, that is any aromatic compound. So here we are considering benzene, so then it is called aryl halide. So if you take any halogen here, if you take chlorine here, this is called chlorobenzene. So these are the aryl halides. Okay, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, fluorobenzene, iodobenzene, all these are the aryl halides. Okay, and next aralkyl halides. Aralkyl halides means the halogen is attached to alkyl group present on aromatic ring. So this is the general formula of aralkyl halides. Aryl plus alkyl plus halide. So aryl plus alkyl plus halide, that is called aralkyl halides. So aryl group is there, that is aromatic ring is there. Alkyl group is there, so that means aliphatic carbon chain is there, and for that aliphatic carbon chain the halogen is there. Okay, that is called aralkyl halides. So if you take this one chlorine, X is chlorine, CH2 and Cl. So this is aralkyl halide. So this is called benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride, BenZyl, benzyl chloride. You have to remember this, benzyl. So if you take this one, benzene, COCl is there, then it is called benzoyl chloride, ZOYL. This is benzoyl chloride and this is benzyl chloride. You have to distinguish between these two. So this is not the aralkyl halide. Okay, this is acid chloride, this is not the aralkyl halide. So this is the aralkyl halide, this is called benzyl chloride, this is benzoyl chloride, ZOYL. Okay, clear? So these are the different types of halogen compounds: alkyl halides, aryl halides and aralkyl halides. So for these reactions we have to consider the halogen compounds, because these are the properties of halogen compounds. We are taking halogen compounds and we can prepare another compounds. Okay, so let us start the reactions. The first one is Woods reaction. We have already discussed about this Woods reaction in our previous video, but I am explaining it briefly again, because all these reactions are similar reactions. So the first one is Woods reaction. So here the alkyl halides reacts with alkyl halides. So the alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form alkanes. So this is the statement of Woods reaction. The alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form alkanes. So if you take any alkyl halide, so let us take the general equation, that is Rx, alkyl halide reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, we get alkanes. So here R and R. So if you take 2 moles of alkyl halide, we get R and R plus 2 moles of sodium halide. Okay, so for balancing we have to add 2 here. So this is alkane. So that is Woods reaction. Alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form alkanes. So if you take any alkyl halide like CH3Cl, if you take CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride, reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form, here we have to take 2 moles, it forms CH3 and CH3 plus 2 moles of NaCl. So this is ethane, and this is chloromethane. This is the IUPAC name, chloromethane or methyl chloride. So methyl chloride reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form ethane. So this is Woods reaction. So in this Woods reaction you have to remember one point. So if you take any alkyl halide containing one carbon atom, so this is the alkyl halide containing one carbon atom, we get alkane containing 2 carbon atoms. That means the homologous series is increased. Okay. So if you take one carbon, the alkyl halide containing one carbon, we get alkane containing 2 carbon atoms. If you take 2 carbon atoms here, that means if you take ethyl chloride, we get butane here, 4 carbons will be there. Okay. So the number of carbons will be doubled here in case of Woods reaction. Okay. So let us move on to the next reaction, that is crossed Woods reaction. So the slight difference between Woods reaction and crossed Woods reaction, that is, in case of Woods reaction we are taking 2 alkyl halides, both the alkyl halides are similar alkyl halides. But in case of crossed Woods reaction we have to take 2 different alkyl halides. 2 different alkyl halides means one is methyl chloride, other one is ethyl chloride. So 2 different alkyl halides. So if 2 different alkyl halides undergoes this Woods reaction, then the reaction is said to be crossed Woods reaction. Okay. So let us move on to that, that is crossed Woods reaction. The second one is crossed Woods reaction. So here we have to take 2 different alkyl halides. So 2 different alkyl halides means one is Rx, other one is R dash X. We have to suppose like this, R dash, this is different from this one. These 2 reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form R and R dash. So this is alkane. So this is mixed alkane. So generally if you consider the reaction mixture consists of so many alkyl halide molecules. If you take the reaction mixture in a container, so in this so many alkyl halides will be there, number of alkyl halide molecules will be there. Suppose if you take 10 ml of this alkyl halide, that consists of so many molecules. Similarly the second alkyl halide R dash X, so the different alkyl halide also consists of number of molecules. So now under this reaction process, the 2 alkyl halides, the 2 similar alkyl halides may react, 2 different alkyl halides may react. If the 2 alkyl halides, similar alkyl halides are reacted with each other, then we get R and R. If these 2 similar alkyl halides are reacted with each other, then we get R dash and R dash. If this molecule reacts with this molecule, we get this one, that is R and R dash. Okay, so two different alkyl halides reacts with each other, then we get this product, R and R dash. This is one alkane having two different alkyl groups. If two similar alkyl halides are reacted, we get this one. If two similar alkyl halides, that is R dash X, reacts, we get this product. So these two products are called self products because the same molecule undergoes Woods reaction. So these two are called self products, and this is called crossed product. This is called crossed product. So in this way, we get mixture of products in crossed Woods reactions. We get mixture of products in crossed Woods reaction. So this is the crossed Woods reaction. So in case of crossed Woods reaction, we are taking two different alkyl halides. So the two different alkyl halides may undergo self reaction or crossed reaction. If they undergo self reaction, that means the two similar alkyl halides undergoes Woods reaction, we get self products, these two products. So if two similar molecules, here we get this one. If two similar molecules, these, we get this product. If we take mixture of these two, we get this product. Okay, clear? So in this way, we get mixture of product. So in crossed Woods reaction, always remember, always we get mixture of products. So if we take the general example, that is, if we take CH3 here, in case of R, we are taking CH3 and Cl, plus in case of R dash, we are taking C2H5, C2H5Cl. So both are two different alkyl halides. This is methyl chloride. This is methyl chloride and this is ethyl chloride. So we are taking two different alkyl halides. So these two different alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. It produces two self products and one crossed product. So crossed product means between these two. So that is CH3 and C2H5. Okay. These two reactions, these two molecules undergoes reaction to produce this one. This is called propane. This is propane since it consists of 3 carbons. So here we can write it like this also, CH3, CH2 and CH3. So this is propane. And self product. So if this molecule, two methyl chloride molecules undergoes reaction, then we get CH3 and CH3. This is ethane. If these two molecules undergoes reaction, then we get C2H5 and C2H5. This is butane. So we can write it like this, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So both are same. Okay. So C2H5 can be expanded like this, C2H5 and C2H5. So butane. So here we get mixture of products. So this is about crossed Woods reaction. So in crossed Woods reaction, we get mixture of products. Okay. And next one. So the third one is fitting reaction. Fitting reaction. In case of this fitting reaction, we have to take two aryl halides. So in fitting reaction, aryl halides undergoes this type of reaction. So aryl halides reacts with sodium metal, same phenomenon, in presence of dry ether to form biphenyls. So aryl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form biphenyls. So what is meant by aryl halide? So here we are explaining about, we have already discussed about all aryl halides. So example for aryl halide is chlorobenzene. So it is aryl halide. So general equation, if you take aryl group, that is benzene and halogen is there. So 2 moles of aryl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form biphenyls. So 2 phenyl groups are fused together like this. So this is called biphenyl. So 2 phenyl groups are there. So that's why it is called biphenyl. So this is phenyl group. You know, this is benzene. The formula for benzene is C6H6. So this is benzene. So here each carbon consists of 1 hydrogen atom. So this is benzene. So from this benzene, if you remove 1 hydrogen, then we get phenyl group C6H5. If you remove 1 hydrogen, here there is no 1 hydrogen. So here one substitution will be there. So this is called phenyl group. So here 2 phenyl groups are attached with each other. by carbon carbon single bond. So that's why this is called biphenyl. Okay, clear? So these are fitting reaction. So aryl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form biphenyl. So if you take any aryl halide like chlorobenzene, so this is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. We get biphenyl. Phenyl group attached to another phenyl group. So this is biphenyl. So what is the byproduct here? So here 2 moles and 2 moles of sodium chloride is eliminated. So here also 2 moles of sodium chloride is eliminated. Here X means any halogen, 2 NaX. Okay. So here also byproduct is there, that is NaX. So here the byproduct is NaX. So these are the main products. So this is about fitting reaction. So in case of fitting reaction, we have to consider only aryl halides. So aryl halides undergoes Woods reaction, similar type of Woods reaction to form biphenyls. Okay, this is fitting reaction. So in case of fitting reaction, we have to consider aryl halides. And next move on to Woods fitting reaction. And the fourth one is Woods fitting reaction. Woods fitting reaction. So in case of this Woods fitting reaction, we have to consider one aryl halide and one alkyl halide. Okay, we have to take one aryl halide and one alkyl halide. So aryl halide reacts with alkyl halide. Aryl halide and alkyl halide reacts with sodium metal in presence of again dry ether to form aryl alkane. That means alkanes, aromatic ring and alkyl group should be there, R. So these are called alkyl benzene. This is alkyl group and this is benzene. So alkyl benzene. So alkyl group is attached to benzene ring. That's why these are called alkyl benzene. Okay. So these are alkyl benzenes. So aryl halides reacts with alkyl halides in presence of sodium metal with dry ether to produce alkyl benzenes. So this is Woods fitting reaction. Now let us take an example, aryl halide. So what is aryl halide? So here aryl halide means chlorobenzene. Alkyl halides mean any one of these. Okay, you can take methyl chloride or ethyl chloride. So let us take these two. So if you take aryl halide, that is chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene reacts with alkyl halide means CH3Cl. Then it reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form this one. So the CH3 group will attach here and 2 NaCl. So 2 moles of Na should be taken. So 2 NaCl will be eliminated. So this is called methyl benzene. Methyl benzene, alkyl benzene. So here the alkyl group is methyl group. That's why methyl benzene. If you take second molecule C2H5Cl, CH3CH2Cl means C2H5Cl. So if you take second one, then we get like this, Cl plus C2H5Cl 2Na in presence of dry ether, it produces C2H5 plus 2 NaCl. So this is ethyl benzene, ethyl benzene. This is methyl benzene and this is ethyl benzene. So in this way we get alkyl benzenes. So this is Woods fitting reaction. So all the reactions are similar reaction, but we are taking the different reactants. Here the reactants are halogen compounds. So halogen compounds are of different types. We are considering different types of halogen compounds. So in these two only. So we are not discussing about these alkyl halides here. So we are taking only these two. So if two similar alkyl halides are taken, that is called Woods reaction. If two different alkyl halides are taken, that is cross Woods reaction. If two aryl halides are taken, that is called fitting reaction. If one aryl halide reacts with one alkyl halide, then it is called Woods fitting reaction. Okay, you have to observe the difference between these four reactions. And in all these reactions, we are using the solvent as dry ether. Okay, we are using the dry ether as solvent. So because if you take any moisture in the ether, that is moist ether, moist means which consists of some water molecules. If you take any moisture, then always the product is alcohols. Remember that point. If you take moist ether, the product will be alcohol. So water consists of some OH minus ions. So here water If you take moisture, that water, this consists of OH nucleophile. So here it will involves in nucleophilic substitution reaction. So that's why alcohols may be produced. So to avoid the production of alcohols, we have to use dry ether only. Okay. So this is about these 4 types of reactions. So now move on to question of the day. Here is a small question for you. So what is the hybridization of this carbon? So here CH3Cl is there. So what is the hybridization of this carbon? So in methyl chloride, what is the hybridization of this carbon? Please comment me the answer in comment box. Okay. If you comment me and if you encourage me, I will make more videos. Your encouragement will give us boosting to prepare more number of videos. Okay, thank you. Like the session, share the session and subscribe to my channel. Please comment me the answer in comment box. Don't forget. Thank you.